here exercise 2.3 fully based on the concepts of fractional number. Okay, so you will find it easy. So the question 1 says find. Okay, now one number in that, what we are given, 1 by 4 of, here 3 numbers are given. First one is 1 by 4. Okay, then second we are given 3 by 5, and the third is also there, so I am making writing it here, that is 4 by 3. Once again I am reading the question. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, and 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So let's simplify. Just look at your screen and start writing 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. What it indicate? It indicate that 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So in numerator 1 1 ja 1, denominator 4 4 ja 16. This is the solution, and this is in a proper fraction. You know, dear student, proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. So we can't convert it into mixed fraction. Clear? Same procedure here we are applying. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Okay. So I need to mention 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. So in numerator 1 3 ja 3, 4 5 ja 20. So answer is 3 by 20, and again it's a proper fraction. Now, well, let's work out for this. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Agree? So in numerator 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Dear student, here 4 cancel. In this question something is common, that is 4 is cancelled. So what is left? In numerator 1 and denominator 3. So the answer is again in a proper fraction, that is 1 by 3. This is the complete solution of question 1. It's the first part, one part. Now same procedure we are going to apply for the second wala. Right? So the second part is 1 by 7 of first number 2 by 9, second 6 by 5, and third one is given 3 by 10. Let's try to solve one by one. So please start writing 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. So as I have to remove off, so I need to write here multiplication. So in numerator 1 into 2, 2, 7 9 ja 63, 2 by 63 is the answer. It is in proper fraction, right? Now same procedure is here, 1 by 7 of, so I am mentioning 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So I need to write 1 by 7 into 6 by 5. Agree? So in numerator 1 into 6 and denominator 7 into 5. You know, 1 6 ja 6, 7 5 ja 35. No such a common factor, and again it is in a proper fraction, right? Same procedure for the third part, that is 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Fine. So I need to write 1 by 7 into 3 by 10, dear student. Now in numerator what do we have? 1 3 ja 3, 7 into 10 70, because there isn't anything common. Here it is 7, here it is 10, nothing is common. 3 as a factor in the denominator, so no cancelling. So 1 3 ja 3, 7 10 ja 70. So this is the solution for C part. Got it? So this is the complete question number 1. Let's move with the question number 2. All these questions you will find very easy and very simple also. Only they are clearing your concepts related to fraction numbers, how to multiply. Chalo. Question number 2 is on your screen, dear student. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Lowest form indicates simplest form. Okay. So wherever it is possible. If possible means wherever it is possible. Let's move with the first. Let's try to understand. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So how to solve? 2 by 3 is already there. First I am going to convert this into fraction. 2 3 are 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. But I can see here in the denominator 3 and numerator 2 into 8, nothing is common. Okay, so 8 2 are 16, 3 3 are 9. 16 by 9 is an improper fraction because numerator is bigger than denominator. So I need to divide 16 by 9 in a rough column. If you are able to do it direct, then also good. 9 1 9. So it is coming 7. So the answer is 17 by 9. You are absolutely correct. Your answer is 17 by 9 is the correct solution. Right? Same procedure here I am doing for the second. I do have space here. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Let's try. Just look at your screen. 2 into 7 and 7 into 9. You can see something is common in numerator and denominator. What is that? That is 7. So 7 7 cancel. What is left in the numerator? 2 and denominator 9. Dear student, 2 by 9 is proper fraction. So we can't convert it into mixed fraction. So the answer is this much only. Okay, please complete up to here. We'll proceed for the third. The third number 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. So in numerator we are having 3 into 6. In denominator 8 into 4. I can see here something which I can cancel. Okay, in numerator and denominator something is common. So what is that? 3 2 6. 2 2 4. So in numerator 3 into 3, in denominator 8 into 2. 3 3 9. 8 2 16. So this is the answer. That is again in a proper fraction. So we can't convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. Let's see what we are given in the fourth. I am mentioning the fourth. 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. So the fourth one is 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. So in numerator 9 into 3 and denominator 5 into 5. Here I can see denominator 5, but there isn't anything 5 as a factor in numerator. So what to do? 9 3 27. 5 5 25. But dear student, 27 by 25 is a improper fraction. So we need to convert it. Very simple, very easy. Here I am showing you and here I will write the answer. 27 divided by 25. 25 1 25. 27 minus 25 is 2. So answer is 1 2 by 25. 1 2 by 25. This is the solution. Easy? Very simple and very easy. Okay, let's continue with the next fifth wala. That is also very easy. Let's see how to. Now the next fifth is on your screen. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Okay, so in that 1 into 15 upon 3 into 8. Very simple, very easy. Dear student, you can see here 3 is common. 3 is common. 3 5 15. So in numerator 5, 1 5 5 and this is 8. You know very well 5 by 8 is a proper fraction. Okay. So next is here 11 into 3 upon 2 into 10. Sorry to say there isn't anything common in numerator and denominator. So in that 11 3 33. 2 10 20. Now you see 33 by 20 is improper fraction. So we need to divide 33 by 20. Let's see the answer then what it will be. 21 20. So 13 will be left. 33 minus 20 is 13. So the answer is 113 by 20. 1 integer 13 by 20. This is the solution of sixth. Now we can proceed for the seventh also same way. Let's see how to do the seventh. So my dear students, seventh is on your screen. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So in the numerator we have 4 into 12. In denominator 5 into 7. Now just be a keen observer and think. Is there any possibility that 5 is cancelled with this? No common factor. 7, no common in that. So in that case, let's multiply 12 with 4. So in that case, 4, 7, 12, 7 ja 48. And 5, 7 ja 35. Again, you know 45, 48 by 35 is improper fraction. So let me divide 48 by 35. So what do I have here? 35 1 ja 35. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So I have here 113 by 35. This is the solution. Okay. This is the solution 113 by 35. Here the complete question number 2. Okay. Now I hope everything is clear to you. We'll proceed for the next question. Okay. So here, my dear student, here exercise 2.3, it's a question number 3. We are given multiply the following fractions. In that, first one is on your screen, 2 by 5 into 5, 1 by 4. This is the question. So let's start the solution. You can see, dear student, here 2 by 5 into 5 4 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. 5 4 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. So dear student, here you can see in the numerator this 2 into 21, in denominator 5, and this 4 factors of 4 are 2 into 2. So we can cancel with this. You can cancel even direct also, no matter. 21 divide by 5 to ja 10. So how to convert it into mixed fraction? So let's see here. I am showing you 21 divided by 10. Always remember the answer will be here this way. If we shift one digit, then 2 will be integer portion and 1 upon 10. The one digit we are shifting, the answer will be this without calculating. Okay. But if you want to go with the calculation, then just side by side show 10 2 ja 20. 21 minus 21. So answer is 2 integer 1 by 10. 2 1 by 10. Clear? Now let's proceed for the second. Just look at your screen. In the second, we are given 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. Okay. 6 5 30 plus 2. 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Here 6 5 are 30 plus 2, 32 by 5, here 7 by 9. But we know there isn't anything common in that. Reason behind that, 32 is having factor 2 into 2 into 2 all the way 5 times. And in the denominator 5 9 ja 45. No such a common factor. So in such a case, what we have to do? Just see, we are multiplying this first. 7 2 ja 14, 4, 1 carry over, 3 7 ja 20, 1 plus 2, that is 22. And this 5 9 ja 45. So dear student, we are going to divide 224 by 45. Let's check what can be the solution. 45 5 ja, because 45 2 ja 90, 45 3 ja 135, 45 4 ja 180, and 45 5 ja. Okay, let's go with that. 45 5 ja, what it is coming? 45 5 ja, 5 5 ja 35, 3 carry over, 4 5 ja, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 carry over, 4 5 are 20 plus 2 22, but it is bigger than that is coming, so we have to move with 4 only beta. Okay, because of 1 here it is 4, so here we will have 180. If we divide with the 4, then here it will be 180. So with the subtraction is coming 44. So the answer is, if it is so, then we can cancel something. 7 2 ja 14, 4, 1 carry over, 3 7 ja 21 plus 2, 22, that is correct. 45, 5 ja 225 is bigger than that. So 444 by 45, this is the answer I am mentioning here. Okay, I am mentioning the answer here. Okay, just look at your screen. 4 integer 44 by 45. This is the answer. Okay, clear to you? Very easy and very simple to convert into mixed fraction. Now we'll work out on the next. So dear student, third is on your screen, that is 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. First of all, let's convert this 5 1 by 3 into mixed fraction. 5 3 ja 15 plus 1, that is 16. Okay, now we can see here there is common which we can cancel. We know 8 2 ja 16. So and 3 3 also cancel. Wow. So what do I have here? 8 is in a numerator and 1 is in denominator. So simple, I can say the answer is 8. Okay, here we need not have to convert. Very easy. Now let's try the fourth same way. We are given in the fourth 5 by 6 multiply by 2 3 by 7. Let's try to solve. It will be also easy. First of all, here 5 by 6, so I am writing it as it is. What about this? We know 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 3, that is 17 by 7. 14 plus 3, that is 17 by 7. But my dear student, here you can see there isn't anything common in that. We are not having anything common in that. So what we have to do? In that, we need to multiply 5 into 17 and 6 into 7 in denominator. 17 5 ja 85, we know very well, and 6 7 ja 42. So let me divide 85 with 42 in my rough column. We know 42 2 ja 84, double of it, 1 remainder. So according to this simplification, the answer is 2 1 by 42. So this is the solution for the fourth part. Easy? Dear student, the fifth one is on the screen. 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. We are given 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. Fine? So here, next 3 5 ja 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. So in that case also nothing is common. So let me multiply. We know that 17 4 ja 68 and 5 7 ja 35. The product of this is coming 68 and 35. So let's divide. If I divide 68 by 35, then 35 2 ja 70. So it is bigger than this. So I need to go with 1. If I subtract 635 from 68, 8 minus 5 3, 6 minus 3 3. So the answer according to this 133 by 35. 133 by 35. This is the solution, which is quite easy. Now we'll work out on the sixth. The sixth we are given 2 3 by 5 into 3. Okay, 2 3 by 5 into 3. So what we have to do? 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 by 5 into 3. So what we have to do here? 13 3 ja 39 by 5. 13 into 3, 39, and 39 divided by 5. So let's work out on this in a rough column. Recite the table of 5. We know that 5 7 ja 35, which is nearest to 39. 39 minus 35 is 4. So according to this, the answer is 7 4 by 5. 7 is quotient. Here we need to write remainder as a numerator and denominator will become the divisor. So answer is 7 4 by 5. This is the conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Easy. Let's begin. Here the seventh we are given is 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay. So what we have to do? 3 7 jar 21. 21 plus 4 25 and this is 3 by 5. So you know very well 5 5 jar 25. The factors of 25 are 5 5 jar 25. Now what is left in the numerator? 5 into 3. In denominator 7. 5 3 jar 15 divided by 7. So 15 when divided by 7, I am showing you in rough column here. 7 2 ja 14. So 1 will be the remainder. 15 minus 14 is 1. So according to this, the answer will be 2 1 by 7. This is the solution for 7th part of question number 3, which is quite easy. You will enjoy. So exercise 2.3 is a question number 4 is on your screen. We are given which is greater. Means out of two fractional number, which is greater, okay? But what we are given in the one number, let me note down first. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. This is first we are given. Or in between that or word is given 3 by 5 of a 5 by 8. This we are given. This is the question. So let me explaining you first. You will surely find it easy. Look at your screen. First we are given 2 by 7 of. Of word indicate multiply, as I explained you. Here of indicate multiply. So can you see something is in numerator we have 2 into 3. Denominator 7 into 4. So we can see this 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. You are correct. So 3 1 ja 3 in numerator left and 7 2 ja 14. This is the solution for this side. Between that or is there. You can see between that or is there. Means we have to choose from these two fractional number simplification. Let's try for this now first. We are given 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So I need to write 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. So dear student, 3 into 5 in numerator, in denominator 5 into 8. So 5 5 will be cancelled, common. But what is left in numerator here? Here 3 is left and this is 8. Okay. But how to judge from these two numbers which one is greater? How can we judge? We need to bring them in like fraction. Okay. We need to convert them in like fraction. Then only we will able to say which one is greater. Clear? For that we have to move out with the LCM. So what I am telling you, I am showing you the easiest technique. We are not proceeding for the LCM. We are not proceeding for the LCM. I am showing you the easiest technique which is greater. Nothing to do, dear student. Simple. I am telling you, we need to multiply, means cross multiplication. Okay. For this, here or I am mentioning for your better understanding as it is already given. Now, here I am applying cross multiplication. So without taking out LCM, you will able to solve it through cross multiplication. This is also the easiest technique. What we have to do? This side it is 3. This 8 I am multiplying to this side. Cross multiplication you know very well. And this side it is 3 and 14 is multiplied to this side. So let's multiply 3 8 ja 24, 14 3 ja 4, 3 ja 12 to 1 carry over. So it is 42. Now you decide, dear student, 24 is bigger or 42 is bigger? Of course you will say 42 is bigger. It indicates that this side is bigger. So out of these two numbers, which one is bigger? So of course this one is greater. So I need to write therefore, as this important result we got after cross multiplication. So we can say 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. That is greater. This is the easiest technique I have taught you, because when you proceed for the LCM, then also you will have this correct solution. Then also you will have the similarly this number will be greater. Okay, but here I have shown you the easiest technique. Okay, because this type of question generally asked for 1 marks in the exam. So how to simplify with easiest technique, that is very important. So, from question for the second example, we are given 1/2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. So, what we have to do as similar procedure we have done in the first one. 1/2 of indicate multiplication. So, in numerator we have 1 into 6, in denominator 2 into 7. Yes, I can see here 2 is common in numerator. 3 2 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2. So here numerator 3 is left and denominator I have 7. So this is the simplification of this first part. Okay. Now here or we need to mention as we are given in the question. So let it be as it is. Let's work out on this. 2 by 3 into 3 by 7 of indicate into. So in numerator we have 2 into 3. Denominator 3 into 7. Again you can see 3 cancel, common in numerator and denominator. So we have here 2 by 7. Now here no need of cross multiplication. Reason behind that, you know very well dear student, 3 by 7 and this side 2 by 7. They are already in a like fraction. Okay, they are already in a like fraction, so we can say this number is greater than this number because 3 is bigger than 2. So through the numerator only we are able to say this number is greater. Okay, but if you want to move out with the cross multiplication, then also let's check the answer is coming similar. 7 3 ja 21 this side, 7 2 ja 14 this side. So 21 is bigger than 14. So again through that also you will come to this conclusion, this number is bigger than this number. So according to this is not our answer, because we have to reply according to the question which is greater. So this side is greater. So I need to mention as a final answer 1/2 of 6 by 7 is greater. This much only we need to mention, because if you are not mentioning this thing, then it will be wrong. Okay, so this is the easiest technique I have taught you, how to justify for greater number. Easy.